In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on noise cancelling Sony XM4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a set of Sony XM4s and you would like to enable the noise cancelling feature because you are in a very noisy environment, then you have two main options to do this. However, I just want to make it very clear that this option should be enabled by default. So if you pay attention and you notice that the sound is already sort of muffled, then it is most likely already enabled. If you would like to check to make sure that it is enabled, then what you can do is try turning it off or on, depending on the mode that you currently have set up. So all that you have to do is press the custom button repeatedly. This is going to be located on the left ear cup. So on the left side of the headset, press the custom button repeatedly. Each time that this button is pressed, the function switches as follows. So you will see the ambient sound mode, then the noise cancelling function, and you will be able to swap between them. So you can either enable one and disable the other accordingly. Just press the button repeatedly and you should hear the narrator, aka the voice guidance, tell you if noise cancelling is now enabled or disabled. It will either say on or off, and once it is properly set up, it will remain that way. If you don't like using the physical button, then the other option would be to download the Sony app. Inside of the Sony app, you will get easy to follow instructions on how to connect any model of headset that you have. In this image here, I have the XM5 as an example, but it will work for the XM4s. And once it is connected, you just tap on the headset, go over to the sound category, and in here, you will be able to find ambient sound control. And among the options, you will see noise cancelling, reduces ambient noise, creating a quiet listening environment. So if this is the preferred option, you just choose it from here, and it will do the adjustment instead of having to press the physical button. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn on noise cancelling Sony XM4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.